Today I want to show off the new propagation box that my husband made me. Stay tuned, we'll go through that right now. My husband and I have decided to make good use of the area in the pines, and so what I did is I had him make a propagation box for me. I have it open right now to be able to show you what's in here, but it's just absolutely perfect. So let's go through what's in this box. So on the very end here, this little group of shrubs is Hicks Yew, and I want to use these in I want to use the Hicks Yew as interior walls in my next garden room I'm going to be building. Maybe I can start that next year, but I need shrubs to do it. This here, these little twigs here, are paper birch, and the leaves have fallen off them, which is pretty normal. And that will happen as the new buds will start emerging. If that focuses, you should be able to see right there. That's what will happen, and that will continue to grow. So it's a paper birch, and that'll take probably all winter before I'm going to see any kind of rooting on it. This next shrub is like one of my favorite. This is a newer shrub for me this year. This is a Moonglow Juniper, and it is called Moonglow because the foliage actually has got a little bit of white, bluish white to it, and it will glow if there's a full moon out. If you've ever been out in a full moon, you know anything white will really grow. I plan on putting these in a moon garden sometime in the future. Again, I need the shrubs for my next garden rooms I'm going to do. Moving down, I've got some more white birch. They don't look like much now, but they're alive and they're growing. And then the next group here is Wintergreen Boxwood, and it looks really good. These ones I rooted actually a little bit last year. I'm going to leave them in here over winter to get additional roots, so it will continue to be strong, so I can pot it up into a 1-gallon trade pot. The next shrub in here is a juniper. This one is called Skyrocket, so it's more of a columnar, narrow form, but we can use it in our garden rooms, I think, so I wanted to give it a try and see how it works. The next shrub that I have here is my privet, and these are some of the cuttings I used from when I pruned my privet this year, and I kept the cuttings and I shoved some of them in here. And then on the very end, I've got some emerald green Arborvitae. So this is just a good way to sample this is a great way for me to sample a lot of the shrubs that I want to try to propagate, especially to do a hard test over winter and see how it works. So the overall dimensions of this propagation box are 2 feet by 6. And the reason they're 2 by 6 is because he wanted to use a 2 by 8 board so that he could cut the 2 feet off, and it just worked better that way. So here's the back of the box. You can kind of see how he put it together. And I think the hinges could be actually a little bigger than they are. This is a very heavy door. The other thing is I do keep moisture in there, but I'd like to keep moisture in a little bit more. So I may have them come back and fill some of these areas here in. Even though it's venting right now, I think I want some of it to be filled up. So we might put some spray foam in here to seal this off, because I would like the box to be more humid than what it is. But it's still a beautiful box. So if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Also, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our other great videos. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.